Hello everybody, we're here at Thousand Islands Toyota. My name is Dawson and today we're going to be looking at the 2021 Toyota Highlander Hybrid Limited all-wheel drive. So this vehicle comes with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine alongside the electric motor to produce 243 horsepower and 263 foot-pounds of torque. As you can see, it does come with LED headlights, and it does come with a beautiful set of 20-inch alloy wheels. Let's take a look on the inside. Alright, so here we are on the passenger side. As you can see, with the limited trim of this vehicle, you are getting just about everything that you can get. An absolutely gorgeous interior with a beautiful blend of different colors that work very well together. Once again, like I said, the premium stitching all the way across, nice soft materials. Same with the seating. We have our nice soft deck seats here that are premium, really well trimmed. Both driver and passenger side is heated, ventilated, and power. So you have quite a few options right there. And a lot more that we'll discuss here very shortly. So here we are in the back seat, and as you can see, the passengers here in the Highlander are not left out. There is a ton of leg and headroom here in the Highlander. At the same time, we also do have some really nice features. We've got the armrests and cup holders for passengers back here. We have our own temperature control settings. We also have access to 2 USB charging ports and a power inverter at 120 volts and 1500 watts. So there's really a lot that you can do just in the back seat alone here. Plus, at the same time, we also do have, I know it might be hard to see, but we do have a third row. This is a 3-row vehicle. Right now it's currently down just to show you the amount of space that you can get. So let's take a look at that quick. This also does come with the power liftgate. Simply press the button, automatically opens up, and look at that space. We have a absolute ton of space here in the back. As you can see, the third row passengers also get cup holders. You have the cover here, so if you have any personal items, you can just cover them right up. No one can see the inside. And like I said, if you have any sports equipment that you need or big grocery shops to do, the Highlander has you covered. Plus, we have another 1500 watt power inverter back here as well. So this makes a great camping vehicle as well. All right, so here we are in the driver's seat. So as you can see, we have the multi-information display in front of us, and this houses a really good amount of information. There's safety alerts. So as you can see, it's currently showing the seatbelt status. I'm in the driver's seat. I don't have a seatbelt on, but I'm in park. So the other really nice thing too is that it doesn't just register, say the front two, it registers every single seat inside the vehicle. So if you have a larger family, this is really easy to keep tabs on any people in the back that aren't wearing a seatbelt. And at the same time, we do have the Speak Easy Driver feature. So basically, you can just talk as you normally would up front, but when the actual feature is activated, it'll relay through the speakers in the back, so basically everyone can hear you crystal clear, and you don't have to yell as you normally would in a vehicle when you have a larger family, you're trying to catch their attention. So alongside that, we do have the auto headlights. We've got the 120 volt power inverter that you can switch on there as well in the back. We've got the power liftgate, heated steering wheel, which is really nice. So we've got our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. We have the Bluetooth audio and functionality controls through the steering wheel as well, along with our cruise control settings and some of the other Toyota Safety Sense settings. Then moving on over to our 8-inch Infotainment Multimedia setup. So beautiful. I love what they've done with the piano black. They did not use a lot of it in this vehicle, but it works for this. It really makes the infotainment setup pop. So we've got the physical buttons here on the side with the tuning knobs, but as I said earlier, we also do have access to the touchscreen as well. So as you can see here, we do have a good amount of sources that you can use. We've got AM, FM, Sirius XM, we've got USB, Bluetooth. This is also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. So just a massive variety of sources. And at the same time, we also do have the upgraded Jbl Sound System in this Limited. So this this is an 11 speaker system with a sub in the back as well. So just absolutely fantastic. A lot going on in here. So if you enjoy long trips with good tunes, crystal clear quality, then you've got it with this vehicle. And then we do have our climate control settings. Once again, really nice, easy to use. You have the heated and ventilated seats on the sides, and then your actual climate control options in the center. And then we've got some nice cubbies there for our phones. We've got the USB connections here. So 2 of them are primarily for charging, and then the other is for the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Some cup holders, our leather wrap shifter. Then we have some drive modes, our parking brake here as well. And then for this center console, you slide it back and you've actually got the Qi wireless charging pad for newer smartphones that are capable of doing that. So really, really nice features here. You can just pull that up and you've got yourself a good amount of space on the inside as well. So just a ton of features that this vehicle houses, and honestly, there's still a few that I have not mentioned, but if you guys want to learn more, you're more than welcome to come down to Thousand Islands Toyota and either sit in one or take one for a test drive. So there you have it, folks. There's the 2021 Toyota Highlander Hybrid Limited all-wheel drive. So between the mixture of great fuel economy, its size, the amount of people that it can carry, all the amazing features, both recreational and safety, this is a top-notch vehicle and fantastic value, and it's something you guys should come check out. So come on down to Thousand Islands Toyota and let us help you find the vehicle you're looking for.